Hi there. Today's adult craft is a gardening wreath. And it's going to look something like that. So you will need a foam kneeling pad, a set of gardening gloves, a trowel, some flowers, maybe a butterfly, and some wooden letters that will spell welcome. Now the things I've just showed you, you will get in a take and make kit that I will have at the library, and it's a limited supply. Then what you're going to do is, first, you're going to put your gloves where you might want them and kind of open up a space. I'm going to also give you a piece of wire, and you're going to poke the wire around the trowel and through the back to hold the trowel in place. Hot glue won't work for that. All right, then you can do one of two things. You can either hot glue down all the stuff, the letters, etc., or you can do this. So if you don't want to hot glue the gloves and other things down, especially the gloves in case you might want to take this apart or use it at some time, what you can do is use straight pins. All right, so it goes just in like so. So really that's all you need, and make sure you put them near the top because you don't want them to flop down, but you can put the straight pins in a number of different places just to hold it in. You won't even see those pins. Same with the flower. This flower that you're going to get has a clip on it, so you can just put it on there. It'll stay. The butterfly, same thing. You can pin it in or glue it in wherever you'd like. Now the letters you can't pin in. They will go at the top here. Let's see if I can move this around. Okay, let's see. All right, so they're going to go up here and they're going to say welcome. All right. Start like that. And you can paint your letters. Right now they're just like a light brown wood. So you can paint them if you want them a different color. These will probably have to be glued on, either with a glue gun or some tacky glue. All right, and that is your gardening wreath. If you'd like a kit, phone and reserve one at the library. And then send me a picture of your finished product. All right, thanks. See you again soon. Bye.